another video. We're here at Sonoma Raceway for Wednesday night drags. I am Jimmy and this is Jim Boy Rules. I believe there are 5 of us. We're gonna drag today. We're in the street sports class. That's me and Jay Shill. So I am in the Z435 IS. Jay Shill is in his M235 Dinan tuned car. And over here is Tyler's Focus RS. So that's his Focus RS. Hey, what's that?
13.9.
13.9, awesome. What have you done to your Focus?
Just exhaust, really.
So it's pretty stock,
Pretty much,
4-cylinder.
Yeah.
What kind of horsepower does it produce?
I mean, crank 350, probably 310 at the wheels.
And 13.9, that's pretty decent, pretty good.
Yeah. I ran against a car that did an 11.
Oh, that's absolutely awesome. So that's Jay Shill's 235M, all Dinan tune. We'll go talk to him in a bit, but they're calling us, so I'm getting in my car and ready to go. Alright, so what we're doing is racing Jay Shill in his Dinan tune. There's no chance we're gonna win, but it's worth giving it a shot. Let's put it in Sports Plus. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up over here and see how it goes. So everything went flying. I did not even realize when it turned green. That was a horrible start. I think I can have it for sure. For sure. Hell yeah! That was freaking awesome. I have no idea what speed that was. I have no idea how much I touched. I think more than how fast the car was, it's all about like how much adrenaline I had pumping. I have no idea what just happened. That was my first time ever drag racing. I'm out of words. That was great. Now I'll throw the helmet in the front. I'm sweating. I should have closed my window too. Okay, let's see what the time was.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Very well.
You ran at 1366.
Thank
you
you.
know what that means, don't you?
No.
It means you gotta get a helmet.
Right here.
We're wearing it.
No, I did not know what I was going to run.
Now you know.
Okay.
So you will have it on next round, correct?
Absolutely.
All right. We'll be watching you.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so we've got to wear a helmet, she said, because we ran 1366 on our first go. That was without the launch control. That's my buddy Dave with his Factory 5 Daytona Coupes. That was awesome fun. So that's Wayne's M3. What he's done is he's got a Dinan intake, Dinan tune, and he's got a Dinan exhaust, I believe, and he's got coilovers. I think it's done a bunch of things to the suspension to make it handle autocross track, but I don't know what else he's done. So I just called him. He should be here in a second, and then we'll ask him what he's done and what kind of time he got on in that car. Hey, that's Wayne. Wayne's here. So, Wayne, what did you run?
16.
16?
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't worry, it's gonna get faster.
Oh, you've not put in the good stuff yet. Like I said, that's Wayne's M3. Wayne, what have you done to your car?
All Dinan chip, Dinan intake, Dinan exhaust, Dinan throttle body. pretty stock still.
And but you did up your suspension, right?
Yeah, Bilstein DSS 9s.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you know what Alex ran?
12 something. Yeah, he's in the 12s.
Wow. I did 13.6.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Yeah.
I think Tyler was pretty close.
I haven't done launch control yet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta try that.
So you did 13.9, Tyler?
Yeah.
You did 12.8. What's your goal?
Like, that was my goal.
That was the goal?
Now it's all great. Now, I don't know. Okay, I think our road's
So you think you can do better though?
Yeah.
12.5?
6.
Jayshul was slower with all his Dinan stuff is because he did not put it in Sports Plus. He was in Sports, so that makes a lot of sense because I was expecting him to be way quicker than me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in Sports Plus. This time I'll have the window up as well. What I'll do is I'll try launch control. The lady did chat at me for not wearing a helmet, so this time I'm going to wear a helmet. Tyler is doing 13.9s. Last run he did 14 something. He messed up the launch, got the car up to temperature, so that should be good for the launch control. So I was told that I should have engine temperature up to normal. We lost a lot of time. We were thinking of getting like a few runs in, but we lost a lot of time because the ambulance had to go for a call. There was no ambulance, so without an ambulance they cannot do runs. Yes.
Can you roll my car and safely move so I can go to the bathroom real quick? I really gotta go.
So we're gonna check out some other cars run while we wait for our last couple of runs, and let's see how we do. Hopefully I'll get a little quicker. For some reason I cannot get my launch control to work, and it could probably be because my car does need a service. I thought I'd go for the drags and then get it serviced, but it seems that that's probably the only thing that I can think of which is not letting me engage launch control, because I've tried everything from like the temperature of the car is perfect. I checked it online how it's done and everyone's able to do it. I'll have to get it serviced and see if it works or not. If I get in the 13.5s, I would be happy without launch control. While we wait, we will check out how the Daytona Coupe did, and then the sun is setting as well, so hopefully you know, we won't get eliminated and get a couple runs in. Jayshul and Tyler have left. They did a good run as well. They had to go, but me, Wayne, and Alex have decided to stay back and get a couple more runs in. The day is almost come to an end, and let's check out what my fastest run was. It just happened on my second last run. So here's the clip. So on my second last run I got 13.57, and I think I could like shave off half a second if I got my launch control to work. So hopefully next time when I come here I will have my launch control working. So let's wrap it up and let's see how we all did. We're gonna check out the top speed and the fastest time that we all got. For how old Wayne's car is, that car is pretty quick. A lot of the credit for his timing and his top speed goes to Wayne himself, because that's a manual and it needs every perfect gear shift. That's a respectable time and top speed for Wayne. Considering that the Focus RS, that is Tyler's car, only has 4 cylinders, it still surprises me. It still amazes me how much power that little car, that little engine produces. That's his top speed and his top time. Jayshill's 235M all Dinan up. This car did a respectable time in sport mode. We did not try Sports Plus. We did not try the launch control. For no launch control and only in sport mode with traction control fully engaged, that's his time, and it is not bad at all. So that's my time and my top speed, and I think that me and Jayshill in his 235M and in my Z4 S-Drive 35 IS, we both could do better if we use our launch controls, be much quicker. But for now, that's the time and top speed. I'm quite happy with it. King of the Mountain belongs to Alex, and Alex ran in the 12 throughout. For a 20-year-old car or whatever, however old this car is, that V8 still has a lot of power. For the price, what you get, that's best bang for your buck. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Till next time, see you all later.